Okay, class 9. Today we are going to learn quadrilateral chapter number 8. So, in this chapter, we will be learning some basic concept of quadrilateral and some theorems related to quadrilateral. So, and types of quadrilateral. First, we will start from types of quadrilateral. So, in types of quadrilaterals, before going to type, first we should know what is quadrilateral. What do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is four-sided, four-sided closed plane figure. Four-sided closed plane figure is quadrilateral. Four-sided figure. Quad means four. Quad means four. So four-sided means quadrilateral has four sides as well as four angles. So this is the quadrilateral definitions of quadrilateral. Four-sided closed plane figure is the quadrilateral. Now, types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. In types of quadrilaterals, there are different types of quadrilaterals, like number one is trapezium. Trapezium is one kind of quadrilateral. Trapezium. So in trapezium, is like this. Here, suppose we consider the vertices of this quadrilateral are ABCD. So in this trapezium, we can see here AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. And next is rectangle. Rectangle is also a four-sided figure. ABCD. Here also same thing. In this case, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC and AB equals to DC. Opposite sides of rectangles are equal. AB equals to DC and AD equals to BC. AD equals to BC. So these are the properties of rectangle. So one property is left. So all the angles are 90 degree in rectangle and the diagonals are equal. So diagonal AC and BD are equal in rectangle and all the angles are 90 degree. Angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degree in rectangle. These are the properties of rectangle. And number 3 is square. Okay, in square all the sides are equal. This is A, B, C, D. Here all the sides are equal. AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA, and all the angles also are equal, means all the angles are 90 degree. Angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to 90 degree. And last thing is the diagonal AC and diagonal BD are equal. Now these are the properties of square. And next is parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. This is A, B, C, D. Here AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. The next property is AB equals to DC. AB equals to DC and AD equals to BC. The next thing is angle A equals to angle C. Angle A equals to angle C and angle B equals to angle D. Opposite angles of quadrilaterals are equal. So these opposite angles of quadrilaterals or opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. So these are the properties of parallelogram. The next is rhombus. In rhombus, all the sides are equal. A, B, C, D. Here AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. And here also same, opposite angles are equal. Angle A equals to angle C. Angle B equals to angle D. And the diagonals are not equal. AC is not equals to BD. Here in parallelogram also same case, diagonals are not equal. Here also AC is not equals to BD. And AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. And AD is parallel to BC. So these are the property of rhombus. So now we will be doing one most important property of quadrilateral, that is some properties of quadrilaterals. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now we need to prove the all the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now in proof, we'll take one quadrilateral. Now this is the quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD. Now divide it into two parts. If you divide the quadrilaterals into two parts, you'll get the triangles, two triangles. You will get two triangles. Now first we'll apply the angle sum property of triangle in this case. So first we will take one triangle. Proof in triangle ADB angle A plus angle ABD plus angle ADB equals to, means angle A is this angle ABD means this angle ADB means this angle, is equals to 180 degree. So this is equation number 1. What is the reason? Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And in next triangle BDC, and in triangle BDC, angle C plus angle DBC plus angle BDC. BDC means this angle, DBC means this angle, BDC means this angle, plus this angle is 180 degree. 180 degree. This is equation number 2. The reason is same reason. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle C is, now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get, now at first LHS. So LHS is angle A plus angle ABD plus angle ADB plus, now we'll take LHS of equation 2, angle C plus angle DBC plus angle BDC equals to, now right hand side is 180 degree plus 180 degree. So angle A is here, angle C is here. So angle A, now take common angle, angle ABD, angle ABD, angle ABD, angle DBC will taken together, ABD plus angle DBC will taken together plus angle C. Now take another common angles, angle ADB and angle BDC plus angle ADB plus angle BDC we'll take together. So 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. Angle A plus now ABD plus DBC ABD and DBC will get whole angle, that is angle B. So it is angle B plus, so it is angle C plus DB ADB and DDC. If you add, we will get this whole angle, that is angle D, equals to 360 degree. Now this is the proof of angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.